How can instructional technologies be used to promote 21st century teaching and learning? Empower. In order to promote 21st century teaching and learning, we must empower educators and students to use instructional technologies. How do we empower teachers? By making sure that they have been properly trained on the different ways they can use technology in the classroom to deliver student-driven instruction. How do we empower students? By giving them the tools that are relevant to their lives and will allow them to showcase their learning in authentic ways and develop 21st century skills. Today's learning includes: what are instructional technologies? What are 21st century skills? And how do they work together to help make a student successful? What are instructional technologies? They are tools that can empower teachers to be facilitators in the classroom to deliver instruction that can be expressed in meaningful ways. Examples of instructional technologies include social media, blogs, Google Tools, Wordle, mind maps, and Flipgrid, among others. These are tools used to empower students to innovate, collaborate, communicate, and develop critical thinking skills. Availability to these tools gives students the opportunity to take their learning to the next level. What are 21st century skills? They are skills that empower teachers and students to be successful in learning. It goes beyond learning skills of core subjects such as reading and math. It encourages authentic learning through creativity, critical thinking, collaboration, media literacy, ICT literacy. Teachers use these skills to design learner-driven activities that support and engage students in the learning, see different ways in which concepts can be expressed, and personalize it so each student is able to foster learning independence. How do they work together to help make a student successful? Nowadays, students use 21st century skills in order to express their learning in authentic ways, which leads them to be successful inside and outside of the classroom. This is why when teachers are properly trained in the use of instructional technologies, it allows students to have more meaningful learning experiences. By using these tools, we empower teachers and students to be successful because we allow them to work in collaborative groups, to use technology to produce results, we guide them to take accountability for their learning, and to become global citizens. Here are the resources used for this presentation. Thank you.